So the today's agenda is all about talking about what is the importance of web applications, what is the importance of mobile application, how many sort of an application that UI developer can build, what is the roles of responsibilities of a UI developer, and how HTML is helping us to do web page design. That is what the concept for today. Okay. Now, see, you all need to understand what is mobile applications, what is web applications. Let me share one screen. This is what you must have to understand first. What is web application? Can anyone tell me what is the definition of web application? So general knowledge is very important. What? Are you a LKG guy or maybe a KG1, KG2? No, right? You people are engineers, and you might have already used lots of web applications, but without knowing the knowledge of what is web, we are using it. But of course, I'm okay if you are not giving an answer. But you people have to, train your brain in such a way that you should understand the fundamentals correctly. That is where the education is helping us. Don't ever try to underestimate yourself first. And people used to say that, hey, I'm not from computer science. I'm not from, Bangalore. I'm not from this. That is, escaping answer. I hate the people who are talking about the problems. Why? Because the problems are not, those guys are not going to help anyhow in order to move forward. We have to, work hard in order to change everything. That's my point. Web application. See, if you are planning to learn something, there is a room. Each and every resource is going to teach you something. Understand? When you are walking on a street and when you look at a dog can also teach something. If you look at a, parrot can also teach something. If you look at, peacock, every resource is giving you some sort of lessons to all of you. But if you are in that particular perception, you have to train your brain in such a way that the society, wherever you are walking on the street, everywhere there is things to learn. Now, so I'm just giving you, why? Because see, I'll tell you, my dear friends. So development is dead easy. Development is dead easy if you try to follow right direction. And development will become very, very tough if you are following in the wrong directions. 85% of the code that you can copy paste from the internet. Any code. That is how you people are lucky enough, because the technology has improved, and in such a way that anything is available in the internet. But you should know what to search, where to search, how to search, where to copy, where to paste. These are all the things. For that, we need 22 years of engineering degree. Do we really need it? You go and check, those people, those who are comfortable enough in ICSE and CBSE syllabus, in their 6th standard Java programming. That's my point. They're just writing, one day I got a question from I went for a conference. In that conference, 9th standard student, she asked a question about Java multi-threading. I just wondered, I gave an answer about Java multi-threading, and I wondered, I just asked her, what is your age? She said she was pursuing 9th standard. I completely surprised. That is how the children are. Now moving forward, we all become outdated. If you are not learning the latest technologies, and if you are not giving a competition to this next generation people, we will be outdated. Try to think ahead and try to keep, change your mindset and attitude. Okay. Now, let me talk about web application. Don't ever try to think that I'm just, doing something wrong. No. Web application. If you sit in front of a computer, if you have access to the internet, and if you have a browser, then if you know the web application, domain name of an application, which points to www.domainname.commercial domain or maybe Indian domain. Like, for example, if I would like to access an application, So www.facebook.com. Now that is the domain name of the Facebook application. However, you people everyone are also have a house, right? For every house there will be address, right? Some number they will be keep giving you to identify what is this house is all about. The same way, for every web application there will be a domain name. That's my point. That domain name must be linked back to the hosting account, the source code. That all concepts also it is a part of your learning. You should understand, because you should not even just by heart the concept. I don't want you people to by heart the concept. But the difference between, next I'm going to talk about what is mobile application. I hope you are aware of what is web application. Am I right? I don't want to give any definitions. I'm just giving you a definition. I don't want to waste my time writing on the things, but I'll just give you the questions and answers I'm going to deliver. You have to go back to my video and again recollect that. So you must have to watch at least my video once after the class. So what is mobile application? Why people are not satisfied with the web application? First of all, why mobile renovation or maybe revolution came into a picture? Because if anybody would like to access the web, either they should have a desktop or maybe desktop. If they have, without internet, is that possible for them to access? No. But getting a connection to internet connection to the desktop, olden days it will be a little bit tough. Why? Because they have to go for a broadband. There was no Wi-Fi enabled desktops. Now at least Wi-Fi enabled desktops are there. So since reaching to the targeted audience for a web application companies, it will be tough for them to reach to the target audience to do a business. That is where they identify that. So what is the best way to reach the people to do a business? That is where they started thinking about web application, mobile applications. Mobile. So I at least know if you people are not, if someone is not serving the breakfast, you can survive, but without a mobile, you will become a mad. Am I right? That is how addiction. Now 80% of the audience are users. They are using smartphones. Now to target a business, instead of targeting for a desktop, if I target for a mobile, then the reach will be more. Am I right? That is where mobile applications came into play. That's my point. Mobile, it is handy. It is a pocket. You can even keep it inside anywhere and you can walk in. That's my point. So that is where to explore more, how are we going to do business? All techniques are resolving the real-time problems or not. All these guys are resolving the real-time problems. We should understand why all concepts are coming into picture. Now, whatever it is. Now, mobile also, we need to prepare a presentation layer. For web also, we need to prepare a presentation layer. If we are failure in presenting the data for a mobile users or desktop users, ultimately, the business is not going to be a successful business. I hope you understand. That is where UI developers are coming into play. Now, UI developers not only working on the web, and we'll be working on the mobile world as well. That's where the advantage of choosing React is, today React is using it for web application. Tomorrow, if you are learning React Native, because that is little advanced concept of React. If you learn React Native, you can also build a mobile application as well. If a single resource, if is quite capable enough to build a web application UI and mobile application UI, ultimately that developer will be highly in demand in the market. If you expect too much packages, also companies are ready to pay. That's my point. And but if you don't have a knowledge and if you want to become a billionaire, that is not possible. You can eat well and you can sleep. Then in the dreams you can become a billionaire or maybe anything you can. But in reality, it is not possible. That's the point. So, see, even if you want to walk 1,000 miles, it is going to start from single step, isn't it? You have to do that single step. Now, what is the difference between web and mobile? Web, we don't need separate installation. All you need to do is, you should have a computer and you should have a browser, internet, that's enough. And you don't need a separate installation. And I don't know how many people have faced issues out of memory in your mobiles. Generally, if you try to see in the 2009 and 10, I do have a smartphone, but the RAM is 512 RAM. And even the hard disk is also maybe 1 GB. By the time what happens, if I'll try to install a couple of other applications, and it will be keep popping up saying that, hey, your device is out of memory. Either you try to uninstall unused or maybe other applications to install this application. That was the problem. Now I don't think we have such kind of problems. Why? Because the RAM size itself 32 GB RAM and 62 GB RAM. Hard disk itself 1 terabyte hard disk in a mobile. And such a lucky people you are. That's what we should always be in positive. That's my point. Okay. Whereas coming to mobile application, you should go to the Play Store, or you need to have an APK or maybe similar kind of files to install them in your mobile. That's my point. But why these two are famous again? Because when someone would like to do a business online, okay, they don't want to lose the audience. They don't want to lose the audience. Whatever the case it is, we don't want to lose the audience. So if it is maybe web say out of 100%, think about it. How many people are handy with desktop and laptops? Now, in this particular room itself, you see only one guy opened a laptop. He is handy with a laptop, so he can access the internet or maybe web application through the laptop. But how many people are carrying the laptop? So maybe mobile will be there. Am I right? So now why I'm picking up this example, not every time it is not easy to carry the desktop and laptops. Okay, but mobile is always, it will be there with the people. That's why, but the comfortness is very important. If you watch a movie in the small mobile, if you go to the bigger screen, silver screen, okay, so there will be difference. Am I right? But is it possible for you to every time go to the bigger screen? It's not possible because that is too costly. I hope you all understood understand what concepts which I am delivering here. Okay, so that's the reason we should always have a broad mind. See, society, we have learned many things, but we have to pick up all of them. That is where real-time training comes into play. This is not something like we are copying the code from the book and we are just delivering it. No, every problem is already there in the society. For that, the solutions are already out, and you are learning the solutions which are out by the experts. And you are not learning anything new here, which is already revealed by the experts. Maybe you people are newcomers, but the problems are not new. This is already there. So now I hope you understand what is the importance of building an application for mobile users as well as desktop.